Alright, so last weekend we did some mild work on the Cheeto. I filmed, I vlogged, but the footage quality was absolute trash because of the wind noise. We pretty much installed a super cheap catch can setup. And today, we're gonna do some matte interior cleanup because the interior is trash on that thing. Little catch can's kicking it down back there, and then I routed that back, looped up this way into that boot. I'll try and put some footage in there from that day, but it's honestly garbage because the wind noise was horrible. Young Daniel came through with a catch can for the Cheeto. It's a little one.
It's little, but it's actually pretty hefty.
So now we got to make that happen somehow. So valve cover. The can is going to be about there-ish. That's not too bad, huh?
And then where's this going to go?
Right there.
You already got one in there?
No, I gotta pull this hose off, but that's where it's going to connect to, right before the throttle body. Alright, we canned, baby! So that is on and dialed in. So I ended up running the rear line for the can back this way, around, and then up to the can. The can fitting is right here, and where it plugs into is right there, and I didn't want to kind of straight shot that because you risk kinking the line. Also, it might get in the way of the throttle linkage. So we've cut it a little bit longer. You can see the hose wrapping around back, and then that's gonna go back up to the throttle body boot. So yeah, this is about a $25, $27 catch can setup. Not too terrible. $17 can from eBay, like $5 or $6 worth of hose and a bunch of zip ties. Hopefully it works. But today we're gonna be semi-dealing with this mess because there are things everywhere. The center console's not in at all. I think we're gonna try and clean up some of this wiring. We're probably just gonna, you know, zip tie some of this stuff so it's not all hanging low because it's freaking flimsy and hanging down. So aside from that, it's not a whole ton of work. We do need to get parking brake shoes, but we don't have that yet, so we're not gonna do that today. All right, so
this is our shift boot.
We found a yellow microfiber. We found another one, but that one's dirty. So this is gonna be the shift boot. Hey.
Let's go like this. Right? And just
push it
get it through as much as we can, pretty much, I think. Should be good enough right there, right?
Yeah, that'll be enough.
Yeah, and then...
Like a Sharpie? Or you can just flip it inside out. So that's how it's on the bottom.
It's a Sharpie, bro. It kind of went through.
Did it?
Yeah. Where does the shifter sit the closest to the rim?
Probably in reverse, which is going to be like over here in fifth. It's over there. Second and fourth doesn't really matter. So if you're going to give it slack, I'd give it slack on these edges. You know what I mean?
Well, what I was thinking about doing is just taking it around the edges. You know what I mean? Just hit a little bit right there.
Smack a load, dude.
Alright, I'm going to turn it back now. It's a lot.
Well, what we could do is on this last section, cut like a Y and fold it over. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I would come at it from this way now, because that's going to give you slack.
We don't even have to cut a Y, bro. We just have it like a seam, because you know how they have seams?
Yeah.
We just take it like this.
Or we just don't even do that, we just leave it.
There it is, bro. Looks OEM.
Dude, that's dope.
You have to move the whole
Oh yeah, the center console is going to be like there more.
Is it kind of tight?
It is in 3, 4, and 5. So we could cut it a little bit more there. Alright, since the shift boot's going to be sticking like lower on the shift shaft, we're going to sticker bomb the freaking shift knob. Little MagnaFlow muffler man. How's it going over here?
Done. That was like extra stability, bro. Hell yeah. And it's yellow too. So it works.
Put sun visors.
Nice, bro.
Alright, let's get some airflow going here.
Perfect.
Why are you trying to put an ocean handle on that side?
Gangster, bro.
Really?
Why not, bro?
So you're gonna hold on to the ocean handle, drive stick, drifts, and shit, yeah.
You right? Whose seatbelt didn't work?
The passenger front doesn't work.
Well, I'm sure it does, because there's no way that girl drove around without telling her dad. What are you talking about, bro? Doesn't work my ass.
It didn't work when Alex was freaking in
It's
here.
because he's probably going like this. Doesn't work.
I don't know. Well, if it works now. I need to cut
What the fuck is this, dude?
I don't know, bro. I don't know what that is, but I need to cut out the clutch pedal on this thing.
Trash. Do we need this?
What is it? No?
What is it?
It's what I should be putting in under here, but I'm not.
What is it?
Yeah, it's like a little, you know what, it's the door chime. Ding, ding.
I need 4 screws. 1, 2. I need 2 like this. Oh, there's another one. I need 1 more.
Ta-da.
Where's that orange from? What the fuck?
Did it rip like the outer paint off of it?
Someone fucking decided to yank it. There you go. Finally got hot enough.
Fuck yeah. Where's the OBC?
This?
Yeah, boy. Look at that. Oh yeah.
What?
It's peeling more carbon fiber bits off, dude.
Where's the flathead? What the fuck, dude? Did you hear that?
Yeah, it was a parking brake. So the center console pieces are like super loose because it's freaking broken. So we're just gonna glue it on and then it'll be one piece.
So this is the cleanest it's ever been since we bought it.
It has, bro. It actually doesn't even look bad either. It's pretty gangster.
I didn't even notice that one.
En Toyota Retorquing, con su increíble venta. Llévate el carro ideal para tu familia.
So one thing we haven't done yet is pull the valve cover off and retorque all the head bolts. Because we're using ARP head studs, it does need to be retorqued after it's been heat cycled, and we've driven the car a couple of times. I think we only drove it once, but it's been running for a little while. And so we do need...
I mean, you didn't even drive the bucket when you did it. You just had a heat cycle a couple times.
Yeah, I let it idle for like 40 minutes, and then I pulled the motor back out. Okay, that's perfect. You're still breaking oil on it.
Is that good or bad?
That's good. Yeah, it's all right there.
Oh, you mean fucking assembly lube?
Yeah. Hey, we're like super close to TDC too.
What?
Yeah, we could probably get to them without even cranking the engine to TDC. That's fine. So 4 of them are loose.
4 of them were loose?
Yeah.
It's a good thing we're retorquing them. Does that scare you?
No, they weren't loose. It's like you get on and it goes, and then it clicks. You know what I mean? They're not like,
Yeah.
like fucking spin it by hand loose.
Like that.
You see that? You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like it just has that little bit of give, and then it retorques. That's why you got to recheck them.
Did you get all of them?
Uh-huh.
From what I've been told, technically BMWs aren't slant sixes.
I think they have to be at a certain angle.
No, it's not the angle of the it's not the angle of the orientation. It's the angle from the head to the block. That's all, dude.
Couple good torque skis in. Couple good torque skis.
I just need to get some exhaust. Get some tires. Go shred.
Paperwork, tires, exhaust.
Paperwork's not part of the car though.
All right, Cheeto is almost ready to thrash. We just need a couple more things and then we'll be dialed in. And we still need to break in the motor. But aside from that,
Forget about it.
we're
It's
ready.
broken in, bro. We torqued it down. It's broken in.
All right, I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.